and today we're going to draw a shark. Yeah! Yes, today we're going to draw a shark, and I hope you're going to follow along. My dad got me an iPad, so I started using Procreate. You can also use paper and pencil. Open Procreate, click on the color. Choose color from the color wheel. Select brush, and start drawing. Use eraser to erase. Tap 2 fingers to undo. So let's get started. So we're going to start the face by drawing the nose first. First, I'm looking for a pointy kind of nose. Oh, and next to it, let's draw a funny mouth. Next, let's draw the eyes with raised eyebrows. Squint a little for a funny expression. Add some more expressions here. Down here, I'm going to draw a curve. Give it a 3D-like shape. Yeah. Next, let's draw the tail and the upper body. Finish the sharp edge. Now, connect it to the famous dorsal fin we recognize sharks from. Now, the lower body. Let's draw gills. Now that big shark jaw, smiling of course. Let's go a little crazy on the lower fins so it starts to look like a cartoon. Now the scary part, teeth. Talking of teeth, I recently got expanders. It hurt me first, but then the doctor gave me pasta and I liked it. And we're done! Woo! Now let's color it. Click on the color. Choose color from the color wheel. Select brush. Now tap on the plus icon to add a layer and bring the color layer under the line art. Color within the outline. Don't worry about the spill. You can always erase it. Ain't that cool? Paper and pencil, people. Color within the outline. I love coloring with Apple Pencil. It's so smooth and never runs out. Now let's add some midtones. In my next video, I'll let you know about highlights, midtones, and shadow that my dad taught me. Go rough. You don't have to be perfect, and don't color all the way, just the middle. That's why it's called the midtone. Give some highlights with a light color. Let's dabble out of spots to give it a shimmery look to the belly. Add white to the bottom of the nose and teeth. Now choose a razor and erase the spill. Woohoo, we're done! Did you like my cartoon? Comment down below. See you later, alligators. Don't forget to subscribe. You and I, colors alike. Draw with Nyle. Hey everyone, I'm Nyle. Good.